Yes, good morning students. So now we are going to solve the 8th problem. 6th problem I solved. 7th problem is the homework problem. It is very similar to the 6th problem. Same. Goodwill is to be withdrawn by old partners. Now 6th problem ಮಾಡಿದೇನಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಉಂಟು. I will send the audio solution of it. So now let's move on to the 8th problem. Pujari and Purohit equal partners. Equal partners under ratio will be yes 1:1. Same balance sheet ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ students. Then adjustments, your only difference is half of the goodwill should be withdrawn by old partners. So I'm just writing here, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, just for the notes ಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. Half goodwill withdrawn. Okay, just for your reference. ಅಂದ್ರೆ half goodwill withdrawn ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. Final exam no need to write this. Okay, so first of all start the solution, write the heading. Revaluation account, debit, credit, particulars amount rupees, particulars amount rupees, very important. Yes, after that we will see the question. Always I told what question alli enu adjustment date kodtare. A1 forget, even B1 half of the goodwill withdrawn we will not take care. C1 enide stock and furniture to be depreciated at 10% each. Stock and furniture depreciated by 10%. Depreciation andre where we are writing, very good, to stock to furniture. Amount enide, stock amount is what, yes 23,600. 23,600. So I'm writing here 23,600 into 10%, 10 upon 100. If you multiply you will get yes 2,360. Fine. Furniture amount is what, dear students? Furniture nodi, furniture is 4,000. So furniture amount is here 4,000 into 10% andre 10 upon 100. When you multiply you will get, very good, 400. Yes. Next what they are telling, PDD is reduced by 3,000 ante. By, I have told you, whenever the word by kottidre direct amount bariri. But reduced, always remember PDD andre provision for doubtful debts. Your provision for doubtful debts are reduced. It's your expense. I had told you in the last Thursday. PDD or provision for doubtful debts is a expense, ಖರ್ಚದು. So that is reduced. Reduce ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಅದು ಗೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖರ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is good thing for you, no? It is income like gain ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. So gain income always you will write in the credit side. So by PDD direct amount right students, that is 3,000. ಈಗ PDD increased ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ you will write in the debit side. Increased by ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ to PDD here you will write. PDD decreased andre write in the credit side because it is a gain for you. Please write somewhere, okay? Note bariri. PDD andre kharchu, expense. Okay, PDD is a reduced anta kottidare. Nimma kharchugalu kadime agide, so income ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Yes, now total ಮಾಡಿ dear students. When you total you will get, yes, highest is 3,000. 3,000 and I'm writing here 3,000. Here it is less, 3,000 minus 2,660 plus 400. That will give you, yes, 240. Ratio ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 1:1, equal ante. So 1/2, 1/2. When you do, you will get, very good, 240 on there, 120 here, 120 here. So this is your revaluation account. Now we will draw the partners capital account. See here, right? Partners capital account heading, particulars, debit, Pujari, Purohit, Pandit, new partner, rupees, rupees, rupees. Particulars, Pujari, Purohit, Pandit, rupees, 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 right here, credit. First step in partners capital account is by balance brought down. Amount yaudu? Yes, this amount. Purohit 40,000, Pujari here 30,000. Same amount, right? 40,000. Please have a question bank in your hand. One kayali question bank idiri, then you solve. Next is by revaluation account. Revaluation account profit alla, profit. It is in the debit side here, so you'll write in the credit side. If illi bandre idu, you will write here. So by revaluation account amount ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Yes, easy. 120, 120. Small amount ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. Next step is what? See, reserve fund ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Reserve fund, profit and loss account ಇದೆಯಾ? Question reserve fund illa, profit and loss account also illa. Good, one step is gone. Third step is what? You have to see cash brought by him. So Pandit, he should bring 30,000 as capital. but cash, your cash is given, bank is not given. So by cash, where you will write not here, but you are going to write here. What is the amount? Yes, 30,000. Yes. Now goodwill ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Goodwill amount is how much? 18,000 is a goodwill. So simple entry you pass, normal entry first. First is that is by goodwill 18,000. You will give it in what ratio? 1:1. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 1:1. 1:1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ half ಅಲ್ಲ. 18,000 half is ಏನು? 18,000 ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿ divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿ. 1:1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? I'll just show. 1:1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/2 1/2 ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 1/2 into 18,000 ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? Yes, 9,000. Here also 9,000. Here nothing. Now this very important statement. Half of the goodwill should be withdrawn. Half of the goodwill should be withdrawn. Withdrawn ಗೆ entry ಏನಿದೆ students? I told you. Here cash you wrote no. Withdrawn ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಈ old partners ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಪೂಜಾರಿ and ಪುರೋಹಿತ್, they will take the amount and go home. ಈಗ ಪಂಡಿತ್ is giving ಪೂಜಾರಿ and ಪುರೋಹಿತ್ 9,000 each when is coming in the admission partnership ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಾಗ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪುರೋಹಿತ್ಗೆ 9,000 ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಈಗ ಪೂಜಾರಿ and ಪುರೋಹಿತ್ what they will do? They withdraw ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Take the money and go from the bank. They will take and go. Your cash is there. So to cash account ಬರೀರಿ. But what they are telling? Half withdrawn. You have to write, okay? Half withdrawn. Half ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ 18,000 half is what? Divide ಮಾಡಿ students. 18,000 divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿ. Half ಅಂದ್ರೆ into 2 ಅಲ್ಲ, 1/2. Yes, 9,000 right here. Okay, here you note it up right. You see 9,000 half is withdrawn. ಯಾವ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಏನಿದೆ? 1:1. So 1:1. Yes. So 9,000 1:1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 1:1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 1:1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1/2 1/2. So 9,000 ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? How you will give? Yes, divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧ. It will become, use your calculator, 4,500 4,500. 9,000 divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿ, easy. 4,500 each. I will tell this statement once again. Whenever they give half of the goodwill withdrawn, once again, half of goodwill withdrawn ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ goodwill entry you pass. Goodwill account dated to partners capital account. By goodwill account full amount ಕೊಡಿ, 9,000. Half is withdrawn to cash account. Why cash? Your cash ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. In previous problem bank it was, okay? To cash account, half goodwill, half withdrawn, 9,000 ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿ. 18,000 ಅರ್ಧ 9,000. Yes, half they have told, no? So 18,000 ಅರ್ಧ 9,000. Now you give 4,500 here, 4,500 there. Okay, now total it. Add this 3. You will get how much? Yes, 49,120. Add this, you will get 39,120. Add that, you will get 30,000. Yes, same thing you will write here. 49,120, 39,120 and 30,000. Yes, okay. Now 49,120 minus 4,500. It will give you is 44,620. This minus 4,500 will give you 34,620. This minus here nothing, 0. It will give you 30,000 only. Same amount right here. By balance brought down. This amount ideyala same copy il ಮಾಡಿ. 44,620, 34,620, then 30,000. Yes, that's it. Only thing here, half of the withdrawn ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ amount ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ goodwill amount half you do, ಅರ್ಧ. 18,000 divided by 2 is 9,000. ಈ 9,000 ಅನ್ನು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇದೆ 1:1 ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Okay, yes, thank you.